Hello friends, welcome to the another new video of Mission Activities, and today we will see the fundamental rights of India. So first we will give the title. Fundamental rights. So let's start. The first one is right to equality, means that everyone should be equals. Everyone should be considered equal, right? To equality. The second one is right to freedom, means in India the right to freedom, speech and expression is very important. So anyone can practice any profession and participate in every political movement. Right to freedom. The next number third is right against exploitation, means that no one can force anyone to work for less or without payment. So we'll write right against right against right against exploitation. The fourth one is right to freedom of religion, means in India anyone can practice the religion of his choice. Fourth. Right to freedom of religion. The fifth one is cultural and educational rights, means anyone can study, and that is cultural and educational rights. The sixth one is right to constitutional remedies, means if any citizen feels that his rights are being violated, then he can ask for justice from courts. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to my other channel, Fact Chip and Fun Learning with Dubs.